Hi and welcome to Mio's video channel. My name is Sally and I'm about to show you how to create this cord cover. All you need is a cord that you had at home or you found it at a secondhand store. It's super easy, it just takes a bit of time, but it's totally worth it because it's very beautiful when it's done. So good luck and have fun! Okay. To start with, I usually hang my cord on the wall or on something else. You could actually also work on the floor if that's easier for you. And what I do now is that I need to start to cut the rope that I need. And this cord is 3.5 meters long, so I need 3.5 meters times 12, which is a lot of meters. So usually what I do is that I divide maybe into 3 parts. So now I cut a cord that is approximately 4 meters long. It's easier to handle. And what I do first now is that I place the middle of the cord, I folded it into half, and then I place the middle of the cord, the rope behind the cord like this. And now I'm gonna start to create the knot. You do the knot, you only have to learn it once because you do the same knot over and over again. So it's repetitive. Okay, let's begin. Take the rope, place the middle of the rope behind the cord. Now take the right end of the rope, place it over the cord, take it with the left hand and hold it like this. Then take the left end, place it above the right end cord, under and through the loop that's created, and pull. Now you do the exact same thing again. Over, under and behind. And now you see the loop that's created here. Pull it through. Like that. Over, under, and through. You will see that it will automatically start to turn. So that happens automatically. The only thing you should do is pull too hard. Like have the knots tight but not too tight, because then this twist will have a hard time. See? Now you can just continue as long as you have rope left. So what you want to do now is just to continue with the knot until you finish the rope, or you get to an on and off button if you have that. I will show you. So when you get to the on and off button, in case you have one, all you need to do is let the cords slide next to the button and then just keep on doing the same knot again, under and pull. Like that, and then keep on going. Good job. As you see, I now ran out of rope, so I need to cut another piece, which I did. I cut it another 4 meter long rope. And what I do now is I just continue as before. I place the rope behind the cord and create the knot and just continue, because later on when we have covered the cord I will join these two parts. So I will braid these ends into the knots and it won't show. I will show you later on how to do that. To join these two, you should squeeze them together so they're tight. Now you want to take these ends and braid them into these loops, same directions, just so it doesn't show that much. So I will firstly take it into here. Then I'm gonna follow this loop, so go backwards, pull it in, follow this loop, like that, and you can cut it off. And then you want to do the second one. It's not super important how you do this, as long as you join them together so they don't get separated while hanging, because that might not look too good. Now they will stay together. So cut that. Now we're done. In case your cord has a socket, I am going to show you how you can cover it. Firstly, I try to see how much rope I need. Okay, so about that much, and then a little bit extra. And then I want to glue the entire socket. Okay, about that. So to hide the ends of the rope, I lock it into the knot. So I twist around the end that I turned upwards. And just twist around the socket. And about the last 2 laps I can make slightly looser, because I want this end too to be hidden as well. So this can be a bit tricky, but try to, usually I loosen these two like that, fold this under the last 2 laps and just slide them back. You see? Then you can just cut that off. Now you can adjust this a little bit so it covers everywhere. And then you can just cut this off and adjust a little bit extra so that it doesn't show. Amazing. Good job. Good job, you guys. I hope you had a lot of fun. Make sure to follow me on this YouTube channel because there's a lot more beautiful stuff coming very soon. Take care. Bye bye.